So when you click create a custom audience, then you can see the options you have. So you can create or upload a customer file. You can create engagement groups, maybe app activity or website retargeting or previous video views. For this example, we're gonna create an example of the engagement group. So we're gonna click engagement, and then you have a new screen that opens up. All right, so we can create a custom audience based on engagement. So you can choose whatever action you want to target. So you can maybe target people who clicked on something of your profile, who watched something like an impression, or maybe did a few video views. For this case, in the second layer, the think phase, I want to, for instance, target video views. I'll pick the 2 seconds one because I do want to qualify the target group and narrow it down a bit. But if I choose like the full 100% views, then I'm maybe narrowing it down too much. That's not what I want, but I do want to exclude the people who immediately clicked away because they don't have an interest. And this is for video ads, so you can choose your ad type. Then you can also create one for clicks, and you can also create like a custom audience based on website retargeting, for instance, for like the last layer for the do action. So in the end, your funnel could maybe look something like this. So in the bottom or in the top, you see traffic and do, which is your campaign objectives. You have 3 campaigns. And then the segments below that are your ad groups. So you can maybe have 2 or 3 ad groups per campaign based on a specific segment. So in the C phase, you maybe have 2 prospecting groups, a lookalike group. In the traffic phase, you have a previous interaction based on clicks and a previous interaction based on video views. And in the do phase, you have website retargeting and a video view. What we saw is when we implement the funnel strategy, so not only the setup, but also compared the matching to the content and the whole funnel idea, is that we see a lot of increase in the results. Sometimes even up to like 240% increase in revenue. So I really recommend using this funnel strategy to optimize your campaign and get a full quality basics for advertising.